Struggling with essays? Let's turn that around with My Essay Typer. First, head over to myessaytyper.com. See that search bar? Type in your essay topic and hit enter. Boom! Instantly you'll see a draft taking shape. Next, explore the panel on the left. Here you can tweak your essay's tone, style, and length. Want it more formal? Click Academic. Prefer a casual touch? Choose Informal. Now let's refine the content. Click on any paragraph and start editing. Add your insights or adjust the wording. Easy, right? Need references? No problem. Use the Cite button to add sources in APA, MLA, or Chicago style. Just type in the book or article title and select the right one. Don't forget to save your progress. Click Save at the top right corner. You can come back anytime. Finally, use the proofread option to check for grammar and spelling errors. Perfect your essay before submitting. And there you have it. You're now a My Essay Typer expert. Happy writing.